Okay, so I'm going to talk about DNA Fit. So I'm going to talk about the benefits of DNA Fit, and then I'll go through how to actually do the test. So the main benefit of doing DNA Fit is that it eliminates a lot of the guesswork, especially when you're training a new client. Usually it can take you several weeks or even longer before you realise what sort of training method the client responds best to, or what sort of nutrients will be best for them. So with DNA Fit, you'll have the test on 24 different genes, and the lab results are 100% accurate. They have done in-depth research on every single DNA that is tested. People that train specific to their genotype, which is your genetic profile, can get twice the rate of improvement, so you get much more better results if straight away you know your DNA Fit results and you know your DNA diet results. So with DNA Fit, you're going to get your VO2 max potential, your recovery speed, your injury risk, and your endurance and power potential. And then with DNA diet, you'll get an ideal 12-week plan, which is specific to you. Okay, you'll also get your detoxability, your gluten intolerance risk, and it will also tell you how sensitive you are to caffeine, salt, and also alcohol as well. You'll get your micronutrient intakes and your macronutrient intakes. So your phenotype is basically what you will be based on your choices. So your DNA is what you can't change, and then your phenotype is what you can change. Now when it comes to athletic ability, 50% of your athletic ability is down to environmental factors, and then 50% is down to your DNA. So you can't change your height or your race or your ethnic background. So if you look in the Olympics, when it comes to sprints, the Jamaicans always tend to win. And then if you look at the longer endurance races, so the marathons, people from African descent tend to win. Now if you took that Jamaican and you put them in a completely different environment where a different sport was very popular, then the environment is not best suited to their DNA Fit potential. So I'll quickly run through how to actually do the test. So you'll start off with this swab here, and then just at the end, so just at the end here is where you can snap it. So the client will put the swab in their mouth for 1 minute and make sure that it is 1 minute, otherwise the DNA Fit might get sent back because it needs to be 1 minute in total. You're going to do it on the side of your cheeks and at the bottom of your gums. Then when you've done it, you're going to snap it off. You pop it inside the capsule here, okay? Then you get your gel capsule, which is there. You just pop it on top. Then you pop on the lid, which is here, okay? You put the sticker around, and then the end product will be that it just looks like this, and then we send it off to the lab.